Cooking is a delightful and creative activity that brings joy and fulfillment. It is the art of preparing food, combining ingredients, and experimenting with flavors to create delicious and nutritious meals. Cooking is a way to express love, share culture, and nurture the body and soul. Cooking involves a variety of techniques such as chopping, boiling, baking, and frying. Each method imparts different textures and tastes to the food, allowing for a diverse culinary experience. The sizzle of the pan, the aroma of spices, and the warmth of the kitchen make cooking a sensory-rich endeavor. People cook for various reasons, including sustenance, enjoyment, and connection. Preparing meals at home can be a rewarding experience, offering control over ingredients and the satisfaction of creating something from scratch. Sharing a home-cooked meal fosters bonding and creates lasting memories with loved ones. Cooking also connects people to their cultural heritage. Traditional recipes are passed down through generations, preserving the flavors and stories of the past. Exploring different cuisines broadens the palate and enriches the understanding of diverse cultures and their culinary traditions. Moreover, cooking promotes well-being and mindfulness. The act of cooking requires focus and attention, providing an opportunity to be present in the moment. The process of creating a meal can be therapeutic, reducing stress and enhancing mood. In conclusion, cooking is a joyful and meaningful activity that nourishes the body, mind, and spirit. It unites people, celebrates diversity, and contributes to a healthy and balanced lifestyle. The joy of cooking is a universal pleasure that enriches our lives and tantalizes our taste buds.